In this tutorial, I will show you how to fold Concord. Concord is a quite easy model of a paper airplane that I'd recommend for beginners. You'll need an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Start by folding the right edge to the left edge. Crease. Open that up. And then fold triangles. After you do that, what you want to do is fold that edge to the center crease. But don't let these layers swing apart. Now do the same on the other side. Now that you have those, what you want to do for the next step is fold these to the center without letting these layers swing. Crease. Do the same on the other side. Now, what you want to do is about like the halfway point, right there. It's just an estimate. You fold these as far as they will go along that edge. And do the same on the other side. The next step, you will perform what's called a jet fold. Basically, you're pulling up on these lines defyingly. What you need to do is reverse that center crease and just pick up along that area, and it should come along pretty easily. And flatten it out. Next, you'll fold the wings as far as they will go on that edge. Match the other side. The next step, what you're going to do is you're going to want to pick up on this edge to form the fin. And that's basically it. It's a finished Concord paper airplane. Now, if you want it to fly well, I'd recommend picking up very edges like that. And this should fly quite well, but not as well as some paper airplanes on my channel. Make this clear, I did not design this. I actually don't know who did. And yeah, you have a finished Concord jet.